Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best of the Islam is to behave with gentleness and tolerance." Previous knowledge. Students, in the previous lecture, we have discussed expansion and contraction in solids, liquids, and gases. In the case of the expansion, when we heat the solid, liquid, and gas, they get bigger. This process is called expansion. But on the other hand, when we cool down the solid, liquid, and gas, the opposite process happens, means they contract, get smaller. Students, now we continue our third chapter, that is particles. Today we discuss the topic pressure in gases. Subtopic is the collapsing cane experiment. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to: number 1, define gas pressure; number 2, elaborate air pressure that keeps a balloon inflated; number 3, describe collapsing cane experiment. Students, now we discuss today's topic, that is pressure in gases. First, we discuss the properties of the gases. The gases are squishy and can easily be compressed. Students, when we heating the gas, or the atoms and the molecules gain more energy. This causes them to move faster and bump into each other more often and with the greater force. This makes them move further apart. The increase in the space between the particles of the gas. Students, you know the gases expand more than liquids. Look at the diagram. This is the magnified picture of the balloon skin. Students, you know the balloon skin have the tiny holes in it, so the only few molecules can escape through it. When you blow a balloon, the millions and the millions of the air molecules are blown into the balloon with each breath. The molecules move around rapidly in all directions, bouncing off each other and the walls of the balloon. Each time a molecule hits the wall of the balloon, it gives the wall a tiny push. Millions of the tiny pushes add up to one big push, the air pressure that inflates the balloon. Look at the diagram, students. The gas pressure keeps this car tire inflated. The higher above sea level you go, lower the air pressure. So that's why the passenger aircraft have pressurized cabins to maintain the same air pressure throughout a flight. Next one, we discuss about barometer. A barometer is used to measure air pressure. Air pressure varies depending on weather conditions. A fall in pressure may mean that rain is on the way. Next, we'll discuss the subtopic, the collapsing cane experiment. Students, look at the first diagram. This cane is full of air and surrounded by the air. The air pressure inside and outside the cane is the same. This is why the can keeps its shape. Now look at the second diagram in the collapsing form. When the air is pumped out of the cane, the pressure inside falls. The higher the air pressure on outside pushes on the wall of the cane, making it collapse inward. recap, let's have a look on today's lecture. Students, we discuss the pressure in gases. Students, you know the gases are squashed and compressed very easily, and then we discuss the different examples of gas pressure. And then we discuss the collapsing can experiment. We discuss the two types of the can. One can is which is full of the air, and the second can that we pumped out the air and decrease the air pressure inside the can. Students, hope you understand the lecture. Now it's the time to follow up work. Number 1, how is gas pressure produced? Number 2, explain how air pressure keeps a balloon inflated. Students, you can take help from your textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.